Spinach is one of the most sustainable food security vegetables on our farm in Lesotho. It grows all year round, is easy to grow, easy to cook, and it feeds us consistently. We eat spinach often, about 3 times a week in summer, when we exchange vegetables like green beans, tomatoes, or forage rape, and about twice a week in winter, when cabbage is mostly what's available. We usually eat it with pap and whatever protein we have. Let me show you how we grow spinach on our farm. Step 1. Seedlings. You can grow spinach from seed by making a seed bed, but that needs more effort and the right weather. The easier option is planting spinach seedlings. We usually get seedlings from people in the community or from our own field. My father often transplants spinach when it's overcrowded or when he wants to start a new plot. We've been growing the same spinach variety this way for years. We don't need to buy new seeds. Step 2. Preparing the soil. Good soil preparation is key for good growth. Not just for spinach, but for anything you grow. We loosen the soil well and make rows about 60 to 90 centimeters apart and about 5 to 7 centimeters deep. That's roughly finger deep. We then add raw manure and make sure the soil is moist before transplanting. Spinach loves soil that is soft, well-fed, and able to hold moisture. Step 3. Planting the seedlings. When planting, we tuck the seedlings gently into the soil, spacing them about a hand apart. This gives each plant room to grow strong leaves. After transplanting, water them well. Step 4. Daily care and management. After transplanting, we water spinach every day until it's strong. Once it's established, we don't water often. When the rains come, even if it's every other week, that's usually enough. Spinach doesn't like waterlogged soil, but it needs consistent moisture early on. Weeding and digging. We keep weeds away so they don't compete for nutrients. We also loosen the soil around the plants so water can soak in properly. This small care makes a big difference. Separating and transplanting. When spinach becomes overcrowded, my father separates it by transplanting some plants elsewhere. This helps the remaining plants grow better and allows us to start new plots without buying anything. Spinach is amazing because it survives for a long time. In winter, it may sleep. In harsh weather, it may look damaged. But once conditions improve, it bounces back. That's why spinach has sustained our family for years. So that's how we grow spinach on our farm in Lesotho. How do you grow or enjoy your spinach? Let me know in the comments. I'll see you in the next video.